I would, on the contrary, imagine that an AMC has chosen to go for a theme like this because they had a fund manager who specialized in that theme. But if you're saying that the fund managers keep changing, then that's a question mark also on the specialization of the next person who comes in, who may not be looking at this theme very closely. The other thing is, and I mean, one thing is that the AUM is small. The other thing is that the universe they're looking at is also small, right? I mean, if you
Absolutely.
look at, say, this, what is that, miners
Or
fund, the TSP Gold Miners Fund, right? I mean, how
gold
many gold
miners.
miners would be there, or anything else, right?
Let's say an
You pick,
automation, the UTI Transport and Logistics Fund for that matter. The
yeah,
universe is restrictive, very, very restrictive.
exactly. So how do you deal with? I mean, isn't that a risk in itself?
It is, and typically you will see funds which run a very restrictive theme. They will have not more than 30 odd stocks, 30, 50 odd stocks. And typically then you sink and swim with those sectors, the tides in those sectors, and it could be highly volatile, right? But that's the nature of the beast. So if you're getting into a sectoral exposure, if you're choosing those kind of themes, then typically you have to understand that the universe will be very, very limited and very narrow. And usme sometimes it also happens, look, because there are only 30 names available in the market, you will technically go out and want to buy everything, and
Yeah.
then that filtered process is not working so much. When there are 100 and you want to buy only 30, 40, then you can choose quality, right things out there, and be very rigid about your choices. When the universe is only 30 and you want to pick 30, then technically the tail isn't working for you. So yeah, those problems are there.